So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a numbered list on the Google Docs mobile application. So if I wanted to create a numbered list just like this, you can either go ahead and press one dot and then go like wake up, two, go to brush teeth, like whatever the case may be, it'll do it automatically. Another way you can do it as well if you don't want to do it that way is you can slide this bar to the middle, press 1 and do the exact same thing. Hello, bye, etc. One last way you can do it as well is slide this bar to the far right, press the A and the underline. Under paragraphs right here, you can press 1, 2, 3. You can also edit it by pressing the circle with the play button right beside it, and you can kind of go ahead and change it this way in regards to how you want to structure it right there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add a numbered list on the Google Docs mobile application. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.